My name is Collin Bartels, and I'm the COO of Club Car Wash, and I've been here for almost 9 years. What does CMN hospitals mean to me? Going back to 1993, when I was first diagnosed with leukemia, I was 3 years old, so being part of those hospitals and the support that they gave to my family and myself was really important. And then in 2005, I relapsed with leukemia again, and I'd have a bone marrow transplant. And again, I was at a children's hospital. You know, with Club, we've got a platform to help raise money for the CMN hospitals, which is close to myself and my family. I think it's important that we give back to the CMN hospitals to help support the kids and the families that are going through it today and in the future. On every Tuesday, we're offering our top car wash, our MVP, which is a $25 value, for $12. And in return, we are donating $1 to CMN hospitals. It's important for Club to be doing this because of my past of having cancer several times, and my nephew, who was in the NICU for a long time, for Club to a way to raise money for the families of the kids that are going through that.
Thank you, Club Car Wash. You are making a difference.